Zach should be home from work any minute. He asked me to be ready, so I have no idea what is up his sleeve, but I have a lot of work to do and I'm a little bit stressed out about it, if I'm being honest. Okay, I'm gonna make some breakfast. I feel like the reason why I'm not feeling so great, like I just don't feel, like I feel like you feel what you eat, right? They say you are what you eat. I'm feeling like what I'm eating. So I'm gonna make some eggs and bacon for breakfast. I like to weight lift and I just need more protein. So I'm gonna cook me a breakfast. And today I'm using my Always pan. Thank you, Our Place, for partnering with me on this portion of today's video. So first of all, for all my home decor lovers, look at this pan. It is unbelievably beautiful. I got it in the color Steam, and this pan was designed to replace 8 pieces of cookware. I love it. I've been using it for about a month now, and it is so good. I've cooked noodles in this. I've used it as a regular frying pan, saucepan. It is incredible. So I love, this is my favorite feature. The spatula has a little rest. As you can see, I don't have a spoon rest. I haven't had a spoon rest in years, and I'm telling you, our stovetop will be covered in food. It's disgusting, and then you have to like scrape it and clean it. It's a whole thing. So this to me was brilliant. I was so excited when I saw that. I was like, oh my gosh, that is so smart. So I love that. It also comes with this little steaming, like so you can steam your vegetables, this little piece right here, and you can grab it with your spatula so you don't burn your fingers. But it's non-stick, non-toxic, multifunctional. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna leave you guys a link down below so you can check out the different colors they have. I know they have a green one. I actually really wanted the black one, but I thought this one was so neutral and really fit my vibe right now. So I love this pan. So let's go ahead and cook some breakfast. I prefer a fried egg. I'm actually gonna do 2. Zach actually likes scrambled eggs more than fried eggs, but it's a good thing he's not here, so I can make whatever I want. I really would love, I like to have a fried egg and put it on avocado toast, but we don't have any avocados, and I really, really want that right now, but it's fine. I'm just making what we have and trying to be a little more healthy, try to be a little bit more healthy, a little less lazy, and cook myself some breakfast. Okay, so I'm using this apple smoked bacon from Trader Joe's. I am obsessed with this pan, and it's actually blowing me away. You guys, I've washed this pan so many times. There's not a scratch on it, and it is like, it just like wipes out so clean. It is crazy. I don't know if this is the right way, but I'm gonna put the pan on, or the lid on, because I don't want the grease all over the stovetop. But oh, it's sizzling. All right, so I cleaned out the pan. As you can see, it still blows me away how clean this pan is. You can literally just like rinse it out. It's crazy. You probably could make eggs on this pan without butter, but I like how my eggs fry with butter, so I'm putting a little butter in there. Now, I like a fried egg, but I like my yolk to be cooked, so I don't know what that is technically called, but I do like my yolk, or just like the tiniest little bit uncooked, but Not like super runny. And I definitely don't like any of the white runny. Okay, you guys, here's my breakfast. I am super pumped. Honestly, and it doesn't even take that long to make breakfast. It only took me a little bit longer because I filmed it for you guys. But I don't know why I get so lazy with making breakfast. But I'm gonna eat this. I'm gonna clean all this stuff up, try to do a little bit of fall decor, and thank you so much again, Our Place, for partnering with me on this portion of today's video.
Sis! Oh my gosh, what? Why are you here? Oh.
Are you surprised?
No. Why are you here?
I'm visiting you.
Why?
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, my sister, we were supposed to go on staycation, so I am wearing my staycation hat in honor of not going. Zach and my sister totally surprised me with my sister visiting, which is so special because if you guys follow me on Instagram, you know that I was having a hard time without my sister this year. Our mom passed away 5 years ago, and this was the first year without each other, but it's not really. So this is my sister. I'll tag her information down below so you guys can go follow her. Zach, what do you think about the whole situation? I was a brat because I had so much.
You were a brat because I had to keep you at bay for a whole week, wanting to plan and do stuff. And you're a brat, and then I came across as a jerk because I wasn't really like, I was telling you no to stuff.
Yeah, I was a brat because I had a lot of work to get done, and I just didn't know what he was trying to do, and I was like frustrated.
But I couldn't make it obvious.
But he couldn't make it obvious, so we've kind of been a jerk to each other for the past couple of days.
I would.
You were too. Sis, how do you feel being back in Arizona?
It's hot.
It is hot.
It feels good though.
Yeah, and she used to live here, but she moved away like 7 months ago. And if you guys are close to your siblings, that's a really long time. I haven't seen her in 7 months. So, our first stop is where?
In-N-Out Burger.
So, this is so fun because now we can vlog your stay.
Yeah.
This is so great. You guys, as you saw earlier, my sister is visiting from out of town, which was such a special surprise to me. And we actually plan to make dinner at home tonight. However, she had a special request, which is my Sloppy Joes. I actually use the Pioneer Woman Sloppy Joe recipe. I will link it down below, but it is so good. If your family loves Sloppy Joes and you want to get a little snazzy with it, make it from scratch, check out that recipe. I'll link it down below. I'm gonna be adding butter to the pan. However, you probably don't even need it except for the flavor of the meal. But the pan is, I made pasta in it the other day and I poured it right out and it just was like a clean little pour out. It was amazing. So, like I said, I'm going to leave the recipe for the Sloppy Joes down in the description for you guys. We love it. It's not the healthiest meal, but it is a good one. Sissy, come on. Hey guys, this is my sister. You guys saw her earlier, but she requested sloppy joes. She actually really wanted
White chicken chili.
white chicken chili.
It's like 103 here.
But it's a little hot. I mean, I was fine with it, but you were like, too hot?
Yeah.
She like is really into fall. Like, you love fall. She wants the cozy, she wants the pumpkin spice, she wants the cozy blankets, you want all the things. She loves it. She eats that up. So to her, it was too hot for white chicken chili.
Can't get in the vibe when it's so
Not a vibe. It was not a vibe for her. Okay, so will you get the meat out of the refrigerator? Oh, and the green bell pepper. You know what, you guys? I gotta show you this little gadget. So, this little gadget right here. Comment below right now if you know what this is, and if you have it, and if you use it. If you don't know what it is a chopper, and it chops up your onion, and you don't cry, and it's amazing. I'm gonna link it down below. We have green. I don't even know why. It comes in
color, I think.
no, it comes in black now.
Oh, it does?
Yeah, I linked one before on Instagram, and it was black. Okay.
Tiramisu.
Do you get 5 cloves of garlic? Oh yeah.
No, there's a whole bunch. Guess what I got too? I get this little.
You wash this, sis?
Yeah.
Thank you. Oh yeah, Tillamook.
It's the only way.
Here, sis. I'm gonna give you this, and you can chop
I like
it.
how you're coming on a little mini vacay and she puts you to work.
This is laundry
I still
time.
can't get over how shocked you were when you saw her at the door.
Oh my gosh, that shock.
Your face too, you looked like you looked to the right now.
Well, I thought it was a package.
I was
because of the
worried.
knock.
Yeah.
I think that's the best thing though, is thinking it was a package, because I was kind of like looking for it, and I slightly saw Zach. When I opened the door, I like
And
slightly.
you're like, why are you recording? Or you didn't say that, but you're probably thinking.
I was like so confused, and then in my peripheral vision, I saw sis, and I saw something, and I didn't realize it was her.
What she was, well, I called you in the car and she was sitting right there. And then I called because I thought she was like, thought you had your facial tomorrow.
No, my facial's next week.
And she's like, don't call her. I'm like, no, I got it. She's like, dude, like, what are you gonna do? And that's when I said,
Well, 'cause
oh,
he kept
like,
calling
when
and I
can we
was
check in tomorrow? Like, because I wanted to make sure you didn't have your facial tomorrow.
Oh, you're asking. Oh, yeah, okay.
You remember when I said that?
Yeah, I remember when you said that.
Oh, and then you're like, are you going on this vacation with us?
Yeah, you said that. You going on this vacation with us? I was like, no, Brandy, we're not going.
Well, I was so caught off guard. We also made margaritas. My sis came to try my margarita, and what'd you think of it?
Pretty tasty.
It's pretty tasty. The jalapeno that we got wasn't a super spicy one, so we were kind of hoping for it to be a little bit more
Oh,
spicy.
no, I'm fine with that. Not super spicy.
You don't like it super spicy?
Not like where it's burning your throat.
Oh, I love it. I like a punch to my throat. But we are just cooking up the meat. Now, we don't do a ton of red meat, so this is definitely a more guilty pleasure dinner for us. But since my sis is in visiting, baby wants, baby gets, right?
That's right.
Okay, you guys, and here are the sloppy joes. I don't put a bun on the top of mine. Zach and Courtney are already digging into theirs. I will see you guys in a couple days with another. Bye.